Hello friends and welcome to GATE Aptitude. Friends, in this session we are going to learn a technique for solving a problem which was asked in GATE 2014. Here the given problem is lights of four colors red, blue, green and yellow are hung on a ladder. On every step of the ladder there are two lights. If one of the light is red, the other light on that step will always be blue. It means red and blue, they are together. If one of the light on the step is green, the other light on that step will always be yellow. It means green and yellow are together. Which of the following statements is not necessarily correct? Four statements are given. So first let us write red and blue, these lights will be together, and green and yellow, these lights will be together. Now let us go statement wise. Which of the following statement is not necessarily correct? Means out of four, some are correct and some are wrong. Anyway, not necessarily correct, we have to find out. A. The number of red lights is equal to number of blue lights. Yes, it is true, because on a step if red light is there, on that step blue light will also be there. So obviously number of red lights is equal to number of blue lights. This is true. So this cannot be the answer. Let us see B. The number of green lights is equal to the number of yellow lights. Yes, because a step if it is having a green light, a yellow light will always be there. Green and yellow, they are together. So number of green lights is equal to number of yellow lights. It is true. C. The sum of red and green lights is equal to sum of yellow and blue lights. Here if you see, there may be some red, same number of blue will be there. If green lights are, some green lights are there, same number of yellow lights will also be there. So if we add red and green, obviously their sum will be equal to blue and yellow. So this is also true. Fourth is D. The sum of red and blue, sum of red and blue lights is equal to sum of green and yellow lights. Sum of these two must be equal to sum of these two. No, because it is not given. Because if red light is there, blue will be there. If green is there, yellow will be there. How many steps are having red light and how many steps are having green light? It is nowhere given in this problem. So therefore their sum may not be or may be equal to with this. So therefore this statement is false. This cannot be taken as true. So answer is D. Friends, thank you very much for watching this video. You can also follow me on Facebook. Thank you.